yo.
Alright, let's get to it. Here I got a beat. Now I'm just messing with it. I got some free loops. Some of them I made, some I got online. Alright. So I'm going to show you guys how to use flex and what we call flex pitch. When you know, the tempo and the BPM has to match. So what you want to do is, here, make sure you guys can hear it. You turn flex pitch on. You go to your pointer tool and you put it on flex tool. Then you grab it from the top. And you can literally slide it to match any loop to any bar. And make sure you remember this tip, because it will help you. You could also click on different to drag just that one. I'm going to undo that, because you don't want to mess it up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can drag it and I can match it to go with my drum loop right here that's muted, or with my hi-hat. But that'd be obviously too short. See how faster it is? Let me go back to how it was. I'm giving y'all some free game and free tips, chat. You know, I do upload a lot of content. I know it might be harder to grab a certain audience, but I do it all. You know, this is what I graduated college for. It's pretty simple. What I'm gonna start doing is, I got subscriptions on TikTok, and I pretty soon will on YouTube. I'm gonna have music editing and mixing and mastering classes on TikTok and YouTube. So if you guys need some tips, just get with me. And I will show you how to mix. Let's see. Way too fast. Turn it on here too, and you can even stretch that out. Obviously, no. That's how you turn on flex, y'all. Make sure y'all smack that like button. Support the stream. Appreciate y'all watching.